Welcome to NextGen Web channel. Last video we have seen how to set up React query and use query for data fetching. In this video we are going to look at useMutation hook for posting the data to server. So yeah, let's jump into VS Code. We are building on form page. So yeah, let's type first name, last name, and we have one button, submit button. Last name. Yeah, just see how UI looks. Yeah, just basic form. Now we are going to set the first name and last name in use state. Set first name react dot use state. We are going to use state for setting the first name and last name. Yeah, last name, set last name. Value will be first name, and on change we are going to set the first name value based on the event or target. And then for the last name value will be last name. On change we are going to set last name. Okay, just enter our first name and last name here. Then on button, on click, we just see console first name and last name here. Yeah, just check in browser, refresh the browser. Yeah, I type first name Virat Kohli. Yeah, you can see first name and last name is printed in console. So our basic code is working fine. And for the fake API I'm going to use a regress. So this is the fake API, so you can refer it. So we are going to post the first name and last name to this API. So we are creating the post data function, sync user method will be post method. And then we are going to give body json.stringify. Inside that we are going to send first name and the last name. So we are getting from user object, so and last name. Then we need to give header. So then return this response. So yeah, we have done this post data asynchronous function using fetch. Then we need to import useMutation from React query. useMutation, we can pass our post data function here. Like useQuery, it also give values. So basically it has mutate function. It's a very important function, and then is loading, and then error. These three are very important one. We need to pass arguments in mutate function later. So, and then here there is another function is there on success. So it runs whenever the mutation is success. So we just print the console data here. We are getting the console success data from the API. Okay. Then as usual, in case is loading, we going to return loading. In case error, we are going to display something went wrong. Yeah, we have done the basic thing. Then we are going to remove the console and then give the mutate function, and then pass the first name and last name. We are setting the state. Last name. Yeah. We have called the mutate function. I just refresh my browser. Yeah, first name I can give us Virat and last name is Kohli, and then submit. Yeah, you can get the response from the server created it and ID, but not seeing the first name and last name. Just check in network tab. Yeah, you can see the payload as passing first name and last name. What's missing here? Yeah, that's a mistaken header. I can change to equal. Yeah, then refresh my browser. Yeah, you can see here first name and the last name from the server. So we can successfully posted our data using useMutation. So we are passing first name and last name to the API and successfully get the response. It's a simple code base to demonstrate the use case of the useMutation, and we can use mutate wherever we want to post the data using the useMutation thing and pass whatever data we want. So yeah, that's all for this video. Keep watching and like the video if you find this video useful, and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about web development. Thank you guys. We will see in next video.